Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photos on Xiaomi 12 Lite. So to do this you will need to open a camera. Right here go for these three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Then enable macro. Here pick up your phone. Keep in mind that it only works for the back camera and not the front one. Here zoom in or something or object that you want to take the macro photo of. Don't get too close and try to get as best light on it as possible and not to move your phone when clicking on the shutter. So click on the shutter when the picture is ready, and that's a macro photo right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.